Hey guys, so I just received this outside. I've been looking outside my door, a couple times just to see if I received our first order of chef plate. And so it just came into actually our back door, and I'm gonna open it up. We've never ordered this before. Oops. Okay, so we just basically got, I believe, a family pack. There's that. And then here are the menus. So we got the squash coconut curry, cherry tomato bocconcini spaghetti, spiced steak shawarmas, balsamic and fig glazed chicken, and then just like a welcome package, which is nice. So that's cool. I'll just set this aside. Put it there. Don't mind the mess. I'm trying to clean up today. And here's all the food. So I guess it comes in each pack. Like this is the squash coconut curry. And then it has the nutrition facts, like as if you were to buy like all the foods. And this is about 560 calories per portion. So there's that. And then here is the spiced steak shawarmas. I guess the good thing is that they place everything in each bag so that you're not really looking and searching for the ingredients in this one big box. And here's the cherry tomato bocconcini spaghetti, balsamic and fig glazed chicken. Okay, so there's that. You're hungry? And then here is the chilled meat. So I think so what they have are these like big ice packs, which is great. And then the chicken, the portion chicken and steak that you'll need for the certain dishes, which is great.